So, I have booked for a salon at home experience, okay? A facial to be done at home with Urban Company. It's been so long since I've last got a facial done. Prior to the pandemic, I used to get it done so often and I used to love it, mostly for the relaxing experience that it provides and also how my skin used to look for a couple of days as well. So I'm so looking forward to this and just enjoying this moment. I've already booked the appointment and I'm waiting for the professional to arrive. So I will take you guys through this process as well. I opted for the Urban Company Salon at Home services and I feel like everybody deserves a little bit of pampering done, and it's great when you can just relax and have a professional take care of your needs. So, and I feel like this is so great because you can get it done at the luxury of your house and there's no long waiting time. You don't have to worry about the lack of hygiene, unbranded products, unskilled professionals, because Urban Company Salon at Home I feel like is convenient, hygienic. The professional used branded and disposable product, mess-free experience at affordable price. So I did choose the specialized facial. It was just an amazing, relaxing 1 hour session and I just enjoyed it thoroughly. So the steps involved were cleansing and then followed by a little bit of scrubbing and then steaming to open up pores and soften the blackheads, and then there was a painless blackhead removal process. There was 20 minutes face massage to relax muscles and boost blood circulation, and then a face mask to hydrate and brighten the skin. And I could see my skin was glowing. So the thing about facial is the day you do it, you can't really see that much of a glow up, but the following days your skin just looks a lot more happier. So everything was done very swiftly. There was no mess created at all. Everything was like packed up neatly, and then the place was left spick and span, and I couldn't ask for more. I really enjoyed this and I didn't really miss out on anything because I had my salon at home experience. We have a big package from H&M. Ooh, what does it say here? I have been certainly expecting this for quite some time now. Let's unbox this box. Yay! Finally. Still not done. did shop quite a bit. And so the first one that we have right here is this crop top. Why is it inside out? They just packed it like this. Okay, a crop top. Mostly I got all of this to wear during the summer months, and it's easier to film with this kind of outfit as opposed to something that's really long and too much of fabric, you know, because it's really hot in my studio right now. So this was for $3.99. The material is a little like polyester. Next one we have is a dress. This I got it on discount. It was for again $3.99, and this would be such a nice dress to wear. Might not be the most comfortable material again. I got this for comfort, but it's not comfortable at all. The other crop top is this one. This one is like a checkered top. Just imagine how nice this would look with like some white trousers or something like that, or even like a black trouser. So this seems a little bit more softer. Yeah, you are going to see so many basic crop tops in this, because like I mentioned, it's just getting a little bit too hot and I'm not able to wear too many layers. And this is for $2.99. I got this because I really like this color. It's so nice and bright. Another crop top surprise. This is like that soft crop top. All of this, when you like wash all of these crop tops and dry it, it actually looks like baby clothes. Like when I used to stay in my house and then I'd wash my clothes and dry it out, my mom used to get confused if it was my outfit or if it was my nephew's. And then I have a beautiful dress. This, I got it because of the color, the way it was flowing, and this is a viscose material. And then this I was excited for. So right now, because we're entering summer, all of this went on discount, and that's the reason I picked this up. And so I will save it and wear it whenever it gets a little bit colder, or maybe during the night time right now in Feb. But yeah, I really liked this and how it looked, and it's super comfortable. And then this is a bodysuit. I got this just for the print. Like, just look at that. It is so cute. Love it. Then this is a ribbed dress, okay, which looked a lot more like white, but this is sort of like an off-white dress. And then I wanted something tie-dye, so got a tie-dye crop top. And then I got like a denim. This is the mom jeans high-waist denim. I'm going to be trying this out. I have a feeling I might not really like this because I didn't observe it has a lot of button detailing here, which I'm not a big fan of, but we'll try this out. Okay. There are a couple of ones that get shortlisted, like the ones that are quite similar. I let them dry down on my hand for a bit before I finalize, and then I like check the shade. So I have a couple of lights that help me figure this out. So I keep all the lights turned on so that I can check the shade true to color, and then I finalize it. And sometimes I do this in natural light as well to get the actual shade match, and some of it got shortlisted, which is right here. I'm not showing that pile, you guys are going to see the video, but there are a couple of more of these that I have to figure out. So initially when I first got all of these high-end lipsticks, I sat down and noted it all down in this notebook of mine, and so when I get like newer lipsticks, I sit down and compare all of that again, just so that I see if there are some newer matches, something that is even more close compared to the ones that I have previously noted down. So if there is anything that is new, I note it down here as well, and then strike out the previous one. Or if something that is already like a perfect match that makes a cut, I just put a tick and then keep it right here in this, so that I'm organizing everything and it will be a lot more easier for me to film the video. Okay, now we're half done. You will see the video very soon. I'm so excited for you guys to see it. So right now it's dinner time and my husband is prepping a delicious meal. I can smell it. It smells so good. And we take turns to cook. So he is the one who's cooking tonight. So yeah, I'm so looking forward to eating because I'm super hungry. Done filming about 30 lipstick swatches in one go. It's 10:45 at night. I'm really tired. So I'm going to be winding up this vlog right here. I'm going to be filming the remaining portion of this video some other time. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I don't know if it made any sense. It was sort of like a random vlog that I wanted to film. I've never done anything like this. Let me know if you enjoyed it. If you want to watch another video like this, let me know in the comment section down below. And while you're at it, give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next one.